are welcome if you're new here on today. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel, and in today's video, it's all about the upside down pecan pound cake. You know that already sounds good, so you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. The recipe calls for buttermilk, and I don't have any, but no worries. I'm using 3/4 cup of milk plus 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and voila, you have homemade buttermilk. When using honey or syrup, here's my tip. Spray your measuring cup with vegetable oil. You'll thank me later. you're new here, please consider joining my growing YouTube family. Here on the channel, I love sharing my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls, and a little more because it's a lifestyle channel. These are things that interest you. You already know what to do. Hit that subscription and make sure to click that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Allow your cake to cool and then invert it on a serving plate. Unmold and remove the parchment paper. And guess what you find? A great marriage between a pound cake and a pecan pie. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. You see it. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And because it's the countdown to Christmas, a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. So I hope that you've enjoyed the video so much on today that you've already given me a big thumbs up and you left a kind comment below. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.